Hello, dear students. Today we have Proposition 21 of Book 3. In any circle, the angles in the segment are equal to one another. We have two possibilities here, where the segment contains the center and it doesn't contain the center. So I'm going to do the two possibilities, okay? Let it be that the segment, this segment of this circle, and it would be of this circle, right? So you see the whole circle, and this is the center. These two angles are necessarily equal to one another. How's that? Well, let's take the center and let's make a middle term. We're going to connect these extremes, showing them equal through a middle term. How do we do that? We've showed in the past that in a segment, the angle in the center is double the angle on the circumference, in the circumference. Therefore, this blue angle here is double this red one. For the same reason, this blue angle here, because they're all in the same segment, is double the green one. Two things which are half of one are equal to each other. This is double this, and this is double this. Therefore, this is equal to this. This is half of this is half of this. Two things, half of the same thing, are equal to one another. Okay? Second case, a little bit more interesting. Now we have a segment. This segment here, this being the circle, the whole circle, this segment, these angles are necessarily equal to each other. Let's prove that. How? First of all, let's take our diameter of the circle. Okay, let's do that with, say, green. Going to the center. Continue the circle. Okay. And now, wherever that point is, let's connect the point, the apex of the red angle with that same end of the diameter. Use a red line. Let's dash this up afterwards. And here, take a red line and dash it up. Okay. Now, we have, we'll do this with longer dashes, say. Okay. Now look at this. Right here and right here. Okay? These two are both in this segment. Look at this segment here. This is in this segment. Okay, if we can put a little dash line there if you want. You know, I don't want to get too many lines in here, but can you picture that here? See that segment? This is equal to this. We showed that already. Okay, angles in the same segment. Now look at this segment here. From here, this is equal to this. We showed that already. Angles in the same segment. Here's the segment now. This is standing on this part of the segment. It's in this segment. And this is in that same segment. And we showed that angles in the same segment, when the circle's greater, are equal to each other. So this is equal to this. Sorry, this angle is equal to this angle. And this angle is equal to that angle, to make it easier. So this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle. Therefore, two things which are equal to each other added to equals, the wholes are equal. Therefore, this is equal to this. Therefore, we have shown that in either case, whether the segment be greater than a semicircle, or a semicircle, or less than a semicircle, that the angles in the same segment of any circle, of that same circle, are equal to each other. Quod erat demonstrandum. Thank you. Bye.